Once you turn on Ozito stud finder by pressing the on button, you've got a few different options that you can choose from a stud, metal, deep, AC. And what we're going to do is just make sure that arrow is pointed down onto the stud, and once it's on stud, what we want to do is get the tool, push it hard up against the wall, and once we're holding it against the wall, we've got this button on the side, and I'm going to hold down on that. And what I want to do now is keep the same amount of pressure against the wall, and we're going to move the stud finder across. And you can see it starts to light up when you come to where the stud is. So for this tool, you can see it starts to light up about there, and it stays on for quite a while before it starts dropping off on the other side. This is a bit of a cheaper stud finder, so what I would do is go back and forth from both sides to where that stud is, and once it starts lighting up, I'll do a mark on that side, come back the other way, and then I'll do a mark where that lights up on that side. Then what I'll do is, if I'm going to screw into the stud, I'll find the middle between those two marks, and that's the dead center of where your stud should be.